Gravel never stays put, no matter how often you fix it. It's frustrating, and keeping things in place shouldn't be a constant chore. Get your garden back under control without the constant upkeep, because now there's a smarter way.
Rock Glue Pro keeps your gravel and mulch exactly where you want it to be.
Rock Glue Pro is formulated and made in the UK. It's weather resistant, fully permeable, and completely safe for pets and plants.
It also works great on mulch and slate.
For most surfaces, the easiest application is the spray method. Just pour the correct amount into a garden sprayer, apply an even coat, pat or rake into place, then spray again to seal.
For smaller areas like plant pots or raised beds, our hand sprayer works brilliantly. Quick, controlled, for an easy application.
For large areas like driveways, simply mix Rock Glue Pro with clean, dry gravel in a bucket. Lay it out onto your chosen space, then repeat the pat down and spray process to finish. Leave for 24 hours in dry conditions to fully set. Maintain the look you worked hard to create.
24 hours later, it's completely set. No mess, no movement, just a clean, secure finish.